Good morning, children. I hope everybody is fine and safe. A small request from the teaching fraternity of DAV Public School, Dr. TPS. Dear children, please ask your parents to pay the school fees, those who did not pay till today. Thank you. Children, in the last class, you have learnt about what is database, field, record, field name, how to create a form, and what is the procedure for adding a new record in a form and for searching a record. Today in our class, we are going to learn about how to sort the data. Children, what is sorting? Sorting means rearranging the data in a particular order according to our requirement. During sorting, rows or columns in an Excel sheet can be sorted based on a single column or multiple columns. If the data is of numerical values, sorting can be done in ascending order, that is lower to higher, or in descending order, that is higher to lower. When it comes to text type of data, sorting can be done, or sorting may be the order from A to Z or from Z to A. Let us see the procedure for sorting. In order to sort the data, first step is to select the group of cells. That means what is the data which you want to sort. In this example, what we have taken, I want to sort the data from A1 to F9. What is the use of A1? What is the use of selecting A1? When you are sorting the data, you should remember that you should also select the headings of the columns. Then second step is click on Home tab. Then third step, click on Sort and Filter from the editing group. And last step is from the drop down list, click the respective option according to the requirement. As we have just learnt, after selecting the group of cells, second step is we have to click on the Home tab. You can observe the highlighted text, that is Home tab, on the screen. After selecting the Home tab, our third step is we have to select the Sort and Filter option, which is present in the editing group, that you can see on the screen right side, which is highlighted with red. After selecting the Sort and Filter option from the editing group, here on the screen you are able to see the options there. Sort smaller to largest, sort largest to smallest. Then, as already our previous data is from smaller to largest, I am selecting the data sort largest to smallest, so that our data will be sorted according to the selection what we have done. Now you can observe the data as it is already sorted. Children, I have selected the option largest to smallest. So according to the option what I have selected, largest to smallest, the data is rearranged in the order largest to smallest. Children, till now we have seen the procedure to sort the data, which is called as default sorting. That means without giving any option or without selecting any option, we have sorted the data. Now let us see the procedure to sort the data basing on a particular selection or particular rule, which is called as custom sorting. The default option sorts the data with respect to the first column in the selected cells from the selection. So if we want to sort the data based on another column or by another value, we have to use custom sorting. Now let us see the procedure how to use custom sorting. First 3-4 steps are same, that is select the range. Second step, click on home tab. Third one, select sort and filter option from the editing group. These three steps are common for default sorting and for custom sorting. Now our fourth step is we have to select the option custom sort. So select the custom sort option, then a dialog box appears which is called a sort dialog box. From that sort dialog box you have to select the column name under the column section based on which you want to sort the data. Then sixth step is select the required option under the order section. So you have to select two options here, one column name section and second one is order section. Then seventh one, see that the option may have data as headers is selected. That I will show you in the next slides. And after selecting all these things, click on OK. So automatically the data will be sorted according to the options what we have selected. Children, let us see the procedure. First three steps are same, no? So in that first step is select the data or select the range of data for which you want to sort the data, that is from A1 to F9. Then click on home tab. These are the two first steps. Our third step is also same, that is we have to click on the sort and filter option which is present in the editing group. Now our fourth step or fourth option changes, that is we have to click on custom sort option. So fourth selection or fourth option, fourth step is we have to click on the custom sort option. So when you select custom sort option, you will be able to see the sort dialog box on the screen. Here children, are you able to see the sort dialog box? Okay, from the sort dialog box, first option what you have to select is sort by. Sort by under column option, sort by is there, no? You have to click on the sort by option so that you will get different options. From the different options available, you have to select the required option. Here you observe the screen, children. When I clicked on the drop down arrow which is beside the option sort by under the column, you are able to see the different options. Those options are nothing but the headings of each column, that is serial number, name of the student, class, section, father name, mother name, etc. So based on which criteria you want to sort the data, you select the option there. So now in this example I want to sort the data based on the option name of the student. So I'll select the option name of the student. So after selecting the particular option from the column heading, then go to the option which is present under the order option. So here under order option you are able to see two options there, A to Z, Z to A, because these options will appear based on the criteria what you have selected. Here in this example I have selected the criteria name of the student. So here names of the students are text type of data. So text type of data can be rearranged from A to Z or from Z to A. So under the order group you will be able to see the two options, A to Z and Z to A. So according to our requirement, select the option. So I want to sort the data based on Z to A, based on the order Z to A. So I'll select the option Z to A, and after that see that my data has headers, tick mark is there, that is selected, that option is selected or not. You have to see. If it is not selected, select that option and then click on OK. So observe the screen, children. So according to the selection what I have done, based on that name of the student and that to order from Z to A, the whole data has been changed. Here if you observe, not only that column name of the student will be sorted, all the other columns will also be sorted. That is sorting the data using custom sort option.